Let's unbox some Popmart packages with me. Hi, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Shay. I am your Labubu bestie here on YouTube, and I would like to welcome you to the first ever episode of Mystery Popmart Unboxing. You see, I ordered a whole bunch of products from Popmart. I don't even remember what I ordered, so you get to see firsthand of what I received. It's gonna be like Christmas every day, so it's gonna be exciting. Okay, this is our first package from Popmart. As you can see, the box itself has this crown logo. Even the box is taped by this crown logo packaging tape, so that means it's from China. If you receive stuff from Popmart that is shipped from the local warehouse, which is from California, then you're not gonna see this kind of boxes. You're gonna see like a plain box, plain packaging tape, so you know which one is from China and which one is from here. Usually they have a different vendors like GoFo, Yawen, whatever, and then usually the one from California shipped with UPS. Anyway, so let's see what's inside here. Like I said, I don't even remember what I ordered, so there'll be like a surprise for me as much as a surprise for you. Like you don't know what is inside, I also don't know what is inside. So we're gonna find out. Like I said, it's like Christmas every day. Show you what's in this. I'm gonna put it in here. Ah, guess what it is? It's Pin for Love, yeah! This is the Pin for Love N to Z. Pin for Love has two sets. The first set is A to M. The packaging is yellow. I have that ordered as well, but this one is blue packaging, which is like N to Z. This is N all the way to the Z, and the last one is ampersand. There's also a possibility of a secret, right? Pin for Love, Pin for Love. Like I said, these are all from Popmart themselves. This one is from their China warehouse. Everything that I'm gonna show to you in this mystery Popmart unboxing actually came from Popmart themselves, so everything's legit, and I will do an unboxing for this later. Once I do an unboxing for this entire set, I'll be posting the link up here for you. Also make sure you subscribe so you get notification for that. Okay, let's put this down because there's more in here. Oh, I ordered this $4, $3.99 Lucky Charm that you could get. It's like a little pop bin. I don't even know what this is. It's just like super cheap. I needed to, because with Popmart, in order to get free gift, you have to order something else other than just the Labubus. So I usually order this and this so that I get free gifts. And the free gift is Why So Serious rings. This is the free gift that they give you. Twinkle, twinkle. But that is our first box. In here, they actually put this. Like, I would have preferred if they actually wrap this with bubble wrap. Like Popmart, if you're watching, please wrap this with bubble wrap because this is precious commodity. You don't want it to be like dinged up because some of the boxes are dinged up. The pop bean and the Pin for Love and to see is the first one in the box. So let's see what's in the next box. Let's see the next package I purchased from Popmart. Again, this is from China warehouse. Like I said, if it has the logo on the tape, means it's from China. And this is okay, not too dinged up, maybe a little bit over there, but this is fine. Okay, let's see what I got in this one. Christmas comes in August. Wait, not August, October. Not even Halloween yet. But I think I kind of know what this is because I've been waiting for this particular product for a while. Can you guess what's inside? You know what? It's not what I thought. Maybe it is. I'll show you the free gifts first. So remember I said in the previous segment or the first package that if you ordered for a certain amount with Popmart live stream, they actually give you free gifts. I got the stickers. This is from the Why So Serious collection, which is, like I said, the Halloween collection that I've been waiting. And let's see what we have here. Oh, this is Time to Chill. You can't really see it, but I can read it says Time to Chill over here. But I will do an unboxing later for you for the actual product. But this is Time to Chill. I was expecting a bigger box, to be honest. I thought the Time to Chill is a bigger Labubu. But apparently the Zimomos, like the angel in clouds, and I found you is the big ones, like huge. But the medium-sized Labubus are not that big. But you see, I'm talking about like the wrap is like all like torn or whatever, because usually they don't protect it. Like this is, you hear that? This is plastic, so it should have been bubble wrap. Like Popmart, if you're watching my video, please bubble wrap this, because it's like, I would like this intact and perfect, you know, not like dinged up. If this is dinged up, this is gonna be destroyed. So I don't want any dings, because some of this actually you'll be able to buy it from my online store at shayunbox.com. So I don't want you to receive anything ding either, but when I ship this to you, I'll be wrapping it with bubble wrap. I make sure that it's cushioned and protected, not like this, not like barren and empty like this, that you can have it squish and crush. I don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna do a full unboxing. I'm gonna take her out of the box and show it to you, like the whole bed. And I'm actually gonna get a shelf for like over here, and I'm gonna like display her so you can see her in the background, and I do future unboxing. Anyway, one of them I will be unboxing, but the rest, I will have a whole bunch of it. The rest of it, I'll be putting it on my online store. Once I do the full unboxing of the one I'm gonna display, I will be posting it on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link up here, but make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you'll get notification once I post up the unboxing video for this. You don't know how it looks like, but we'll get to that later when I unbox this. In order for you to get a free gift, you gotta order with something else. It's not just Labubu. That's the rule of Popmart. I ordered the Pop Bean Lucky Charm. This small tiny things that you can get from Popmart eyepiece. I'll open all of this later and see what I get. This is like only $4 or whatever, but I wanted to get the free gifts. So this is what is in the second box. There's some kind of padding, not much. I expected a whole padding like wrapped around. Let's see the next one. Let's see the third box. This is kind of dinged up. Look how smush this is. I hope and whatever is in here not smush. I don't know if the shipper put the tape over this, because I don't know why they do that. Like there's a red tape, you see? When you announce that it's Popmart packages, that's like, oh, Labubu. So let's see what's in this one. Okay, I see red, so I think I know what it is. This is, I believe, the Why So Serious Halloween collection from Popmart that just released. Am I right? Am I right? Yes! See? Look what I mentioned. It's like damage. Like, oh my god. Look. Like, what is this? Yeah, I'm gonna be complaining to the clock app later. Like, it's supposed to arrive perfect and it arrived like this. If this is squished, whatever is inside is also squished, right? This is so sad. Like, why is this like this? But this is the Why So Serious box set that has Twinkle Twinkle, this one, the Demo, the Labubu, the Mollies, and the Hachipupu. Hachipupu is this one, but this is so sad. Why is all dang up like this? Let me show you why is that, because this is how the box came. That's not much protection, and this is the resulting products, but they're gonna be hearing this from me later. This is what I'm saying. Popmart, do better. Wrap this with a bubble wrap, not just shove it in a box. This is what happens when you don't protect your product. Once I do the full unboxing later for this, I'll be putting the link up here. So make sure you subscribe. Like I said, full unboxing of the Why So Serious Halloween collection. Okay. So that was disappointing. There's no free stuff in here because I did not order it with anything else. So that's the third box. Let's go on our fourth and final box for the first episode of Mystery Popmart Unboxing. This one is fine. This box is fine, except this one is like, there's a hole in there. Hopefully it doesn't damage the product inside. Let's see what's in this one. This one has some padding also. Like I said, it still doesn't wrap around the product like I wanted to. It's like they just like shove it in here. Like, how is that gonna protect them? You know what I mean? but I think this one is fine. I also got another free gift because I ordered, you know, this one with the lucky charm, same thing, but like last time I show you. I think it's like the first one, but this is also the same thing. Rings, the Why So Serious rings, free gift with purchase. And this one is also another set of Pin for Love, the same set. I ordered, like I said, a whole bunch of set. Good thing this one didn't get too, I mean, there's like some bulging here, but it's not like crushed like the Why So Serious I just showed you. It's not perfect. Like I said, if it's protected, bubble wrap around it, it will be better, but I don't know if you can see it, like there's like some crease there, but whatever. Inside is fine, I think. Doesn't look like squished like the Why So Serious, like I said. So this is the Pin for Love Labubu, like the first box. Like I said, during our first box unboxing, I'll be posting the link up here once I do a full unboxing of the Labubus included in this set. N2Z set Pin for Love Labubu. As I mentioned multiple times, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the notification when I do an unboxing for this. Okay, so that's the fourth and final box. Well, I hope you enjoyed the first ever episode of Mystery Popmart Unboxing. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you do enjoy this video. Share this to the bestie who enjoys Popmart packages unboxing. Make sure you subscribe because I'll have more Popmart packages to unbox. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe. Until next time, happy unboxing and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Oh, if you want to see the next mystery Popmart unboxing, then check out this video.